back to my channel. For those of you guys new here, my name is Kayla. I'm a stay-at-home mom to an 8-month-old baby girl, and a couple months ago my husband and I did the Whole30. So I'm doing something very different today. Today's video is going to be a food diary. While I was doing the program, every time that I was going to eat something, I would take out my phone or my camera and I would record what I was eating for that meal. I will say, looking back and editing the footage, it was hard. It was hard because like halfway through the program, I got very mixed up with my days. So just bear with me a little bit, but regardless, I do think that the video is going to give you a good idea of the things that we ate throughout the program. My husband and I are not cooks. We are not chefs by any means. I am the laziest human alive, so I was not going to be doing like super fancy stuff. So if I can do it, trust me, you can do it. So take a look at all these meals. I will say also that there are a couple days towards the end that we're missing. I tried looking for the footage everywhere and I could not find it. So I'm sorry, I apologize that it's not the full 30 days, but I think it's pretty close enough. At the end, if you have any questions about anything that you saw, if you want any recipes, if there's anything at all that I can answer about the program, leave me your questions and your comments down below. I also have a few other videos you might want to check out just on the Whole30 itself, why we decided to do it, what our thoughts were on it. So I will leave those linked down below in case you want to check them out. If you're new around here, also, I'd love for you to stick around. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. I make motherhood and lifestyle content. I love doing daily vlogs, and I also like showing you guys the stuff that I eat. I also do like a lot of affordable hauls. So if you like that kind of stuff, then definitely give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. With that being said, let's just go ahead and get started. All right, so this is gonna be my breakfast. I scrambled my eggs, I added some tomatoes, and throughout the week, I'll probably just change up my eggs. Like sometimes I'll have them fried, sometimes I'll have them hard-boiled, and sometimes I'll have them scrambled. So this is our lunch for day one, and it doesn't look super appetizing, but it's spinach leaves. There's chicken in here, there's bacon, there's cherry tomatoes, there's also some hard-boiled egg. And then the dressing is a buffalo ranch dressing. So it's a little bit spicy. It's got a little bit of a kick to it, but I don't like spicy stuff, so it's not too bad. All right, so then this is what I'm having for dinner. I'm having one of these spindrifts, and then these are pork tacos with sweet potato puree. So on this one, I actually put the sweet potato puree on the lettuce, and then put the pork tacos. On the other ones, I just put the pork taco and then the sweet potato puree, and then I made like a little avocado salad. That is gonna be my dinner. Okay, so today is day 2, and this is my breakfast. I'm having scrambled eggs with strawberries, and then this is my green smoothie. So the smoothie is made up of just some ice cubes, spinach leaves, a whole banana, some almond butter, and I think that's it. I think that's all I put in there this time. All right, so this is my lunch for day 2. I'm having leftovers from last night, which are pork tacos. And then I made myself a little avocado salad with some of those plantain chips from Terra that are cooked in coconut oil so that they are compliant, and a little clementine. All right, so this is day 2's dinner. I'm gonna have the blackberry spindrift, and then this is a Brussels sprout slaw with some steaks and chimichurri sauce, and then I'm also gonna have an orange. Today is day 3, and this is my breakfast. I'm having sausage patties, sweet potatoes, some fried eggs, and some fruit. Okay, so this is day 3 lunch. We have avocado salad, a little balsamic vinaigrette salad, some oranges. These are the plantain chips, and some steak from yesterday. This is day 3's dinner. We've got some cauliflower rice, shrimp, and zucchini, and lemon butter sauce. So today is day 4, and this is what I'm having for breakfast. I'm having my green smoothie again, and I'm having scrambled eggs with some fruit on the side. So this is day 4, and I'm having leftovers from last night. This is shrimp with cauliflower rice and zucchini. All right, so today is day 4, and this is our dinner. We're having half of a bone-in pork chop, and then this is potatoes and onions. And I think the pork chop is like a garlic rosemary pork chop. So this is day 5's breakfast. We've got sweet potatoes, eggs, and sausage patties. Today is day 5, and this is our lunch. We're just having leftovers of the pork chops we made last night. So today is day 5, and this is our dinner. So we're having breakfast for dinner. We ran late. It was just like a long day, and we got home, and we didn't really have a lot of time to cook, so we just resorted to some eggs, some bacon, and just some fruit. So today is day 6, and this is my breakfast for the morning. I'm just having some pineapple, the regular breakfast, and then I just decided to do one fried egg, and then I had a hard-boiled egg in the fridge that I didn't want to go bad, so I'm having that. Okay, for day 6's lunch, we had some leftovers from the week, so I'm having leftovers of that shrimp dish, which is delicious. So this is dinner for day 6. We've got some chicken breast, and then leftovers of the roasted potatoes and onions that we had the other night. So today is day 7. I can't believe we've already made it this far. So this is gonna be my breakfast. I know that those eggs do not look very tasty, but it's just a hard-boiled egg, a mandarin. I'm gonna finish off the blueberries from my fridge, and then I'm having a green smoothie. All right, so today is day 7, and for lunch I had leftovers from last night. I had chicken and potatoes and some onions, and I knew it was gonna happen. I forgot to film it. So that was the one day this week that I forgot to film what I ate for lunch. All right, so today is day 7, and this is our dinner. I'm having leftover potatoes with some onions and Brussels sprouts and a nice big steak. So today is day 8, and this is my breakfast. I'm having scrambled eggs with some tomatoes. This is actually butternut squash. I haven't had it like this before, but we're gonna give it a try. And then that's some apples with almond butter. So today is day 8, and this is my lunch. I'm having some shrimp, with some zucchini and the cauliflower rice leftovers. All right, so this is day 8's dinner. We've got grilled chicken breast, and we have a salad. This is just romaine lettuce and tomatoes, some onions, and some little chopped up carrots. And then this is the dressing that we're using, the Primal Kitchen Ranch. So today is day 9, and this is my breakfast. I'm having scrambled eggs, a sausage patty. This is a mixture of butternut squash and sweet potato, and then I've got an orange and some strawberries. All right, so today is day 9, and this is my lunch. I'm having leftovers of the shrimp with the cauliflower rice, and my camera's fogging up. So this is day 9's dinner. We're having pulled pork with a sweet potato, and I've got a slice of pineapple, and I have like a little tomato, onion salsa. So today is day 10, and this is my lunch. I'm having just some shredded chicken with a little tomato and onion salsa on top in the butter lettuce. So I guess since I ate so late and I was kind of like snacking all day, I really didn't, like, I don't know, I really wasn't hungry. So I made myself one of my favorite smoothies. It's so easy to make. It's just almond butter, almond milk, a banana, and sometimes when I make this smoothie I make it with spinach, but today I just didn't want the spinach. I just wanted it to taste like really sweet. So this tastes really good, and if I get hungry later, then I guess I'll just have some fruit. So it is day 12, and this is my breakfast: eggs, a turkey sausage, and butternut squash with sweet potato. Alright guys, so today is day 11, and this is my lunch. I'm having pineapple and some pulled pork, some prosciutto, and a cutie. Alright, so today is day 11, and this is my dinner. I'm pretty much having the same thing I had for lunch: some pork and prosciutto and a pineapple slice, some blueberries, and then I'm also having a little spinach salad with some carrots. Today is day 12, and this is my breakfast. Having eggs, some sausage patties, and an orange. So today is day 12, and I'm having a chicken Caesar salad. We are eating in our car. So this is what our lunch looks like. Today is day 12, and this is my dinner. I'm gonna have some steak and Brussels sprouts and an orange. Today is day 13. This is my breakfast. I'm having some little mini burgers, some eggs, and sweet potato. All right, today is day 13, and this is my dinner. I'll probably have some fruit also. Today's day 14. This is our breakfast: eggs, a little burger, and sweet potato. Today's day 14. This is my lunch. I'm having cauliflower rice with some pulled pork, and I put some ranch dressing on it. I don't know, it tastes really, really good. Today's day 13, and this is my dinner. I'm having some pork and Brussels sprouts. All right, so today's day 14, and this is my breakfast. I'm having that little sausage patty with some guacamole on it, and I'm having eggs and sweet potatoes. Today is day 13, and this is my lunch. Got a salad with chicken and ranch dressing. Day 14, this is my dinner. We're having steak and some chicken and broccoli. Alright, so today is day 15, and this is my breakfast. I'm having eggs, a little burger with guacamole, and butternut squash. Today is day 16, and this is my lunch. I'm having a grilled chicken salad with strawberries and pecans. As close to compliant as we can get today. So today is day 15, and we're eating out at a restaurant, so this is as close as we could get to a compliant meal. So we're having Brussels sprouts, a New York strip, and some mashed potatoes. Today's day 17, and this is my breakfast. I'm having eggs and broccoli. Today's day 17, and this is my lunch. I'm having chicken breast with some spinach and Caesar or ranch dressing? Ranch dressing. This is day 17, and this is our dinner. Today is day 18, and this is my lunch. I'm having another little spinach salad with some chicken in it. Alright, so today is day 18, and this is my dinner. We got home from the road, so we were having a late dinner. So I'm having eggs, some raspberries, and an orange. Today is day 19, and Joe just made me my breakfast. So I'm having eggs and lots of happy fruit, apparently. So today is day 18 or 19, I'm not really sure at this point, but this is my lunch. I'm having some homemade plantain chips with ground turkey with taco seasoning and some cherry tomatoes and guacamole. Today is day 25, and this is my breakfast: eggs, pineapple, and some strawberries. All right, today is day 25 and this is my lunch. I'm having grilled chicken, some salad, pineapple, and macadamia nuts. All right, today is day 25 and this is my dinner. I'm having mahi with a lemon butter sauce, lemon ghee sauce, and cauliflower rice. Day 26, this is my breakfast. I'm having eggs and some fruit. All right, today is day 26 and this is my dinner. I'm having steak with green beans and toasted almonds, and I'm also having an orange. Today is day 27 and this is my lunch. I'm having some, is this pork? What is it, pork?
Eso es vaca frita.
Which is cow? Pork?
I guess beef.
Oh, okay. Beef and onions. All right, today is day 27. This is my dinner. I'm gonna have some steak, but I'm also gonna have some guacamole. Today is day 28, and this is my breakfast. I'm having eggs with some pineapple and strawberries with almond butter. All right, today is day 27, and this is our dinner. We're having a mahi and green beans with almonds. All right, today is day 29, and I actually made myself like a banana coffee drink with some fruit. Today is day 29, and this is my lunch. I'm having a turkey burger with some guacamole, some broccoli, and some macadamia nuts. Today is day 29, and this is my dinner. I'm having mahi with cauliflower rice. Today is day 30, and this is my breakfast. I'm having eggs, pineapple, and some apples with almond butter. All right, today is day 30, and this is my lunch. I'm having some homemade plantains with ground beef and some guacamole. All right, so today is day 30, and this is my dinner. I'm having the same thing I had for lunch, ground beef with some guacamole and plantain. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it. If you're still here, like damn, you watched the whole video. I thought it was fascinating to go back and look at this footage and see the stuff that we ate during the program, because now that we haven't been doing it for like 2 months, it's been like 2 months since we did it, we've been eating like whatever we wanted. We've been a lot more lenient with the things that we've eaten. So it's nice to kind of like have that refresher and to remember like, oh, these were some of like the easy, healthy meals that we ate. So I hope that that gives you some motivation, some inspiration in case you're interested in doing the program. My husband and I loved it, and we will soon have a video up on our channel with like a whole recap on how we felt about it. But again, if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like this kind of content. Again, leave any of your questions that you might have down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.